In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to verify your domain via DKIM, SPF, and DMARC manually. First, log into your Flodesk account and navigate to My Account Domain Setup. Here, you'll be able to see each of the email sending domains that are tied to your Flodesk account. Today, we are going to be verifying the domain addywilkinsconsulting.com. If you haven't started the authentication process before, you could click on the Verify Now button and then select the option to add records manually by clicking I'll do it manually. Select Next. You should be taken to a screen where you can see all of the records you'll need to manually copy and paste into your DNS management tool. Depending on your account setup, you'll either see 5 sets of records or 3 sets of records. If your account has 5 sets of records, you'll have 1 SPF record, 3 sets of DKIM records, and 1 DMARC record. If your account has 3 sets of records, you'll have 1 SPF record, 1 DKIM record, and 1 DMARC record. Next, open a separate browser tab and sign into your domain provider's account. If you're watching this video, your domain provider should be GoDaddy. For the sake of this example, I'm already logged into my GoDaddy account. Within GoDaddy, I can navigate to the domains I own by selecting My Products from the drop-down menu in the right-hand corner of the screen. Here, I can see that I own the domain addywilkinsconsulting.com. I can quickly access my domain's DNS settings, which is where I'll need to copy and paste records from my Flodesk account, by clicking on the DNS button. This should open up your DNS records in GoDaddy. Now, let's pause for a moment and navigate back to the tab that has your Flodesk domain verification open. Use the built-in copy buttons to copy your relevant missing records and then paste them into your GoDaddy account. You'll need to add the DKIM and SPF records as CNAME records and the DMARC record as a TXT record. Let's copy and paste this first DKIM record from Flodesk into your GoDaddy's DNS records. First, copy the CNAME host from Flodesk and paste it into the section titled Name at the top of your DNS records. This is a CNAME record, so you'll want to select CNAME as the record type. Next, copy and paste the corresponding CNAME value from Flodesk into the value section in GoDaddy. Select Custom from the TTL dropdown in GoDaddy and input the value 600. Click Save. Double-check the record and click Save again. You'll repeat this process for all of the DKIM, SPF, and DMARC records listed inside of your Flodesk account until everything has been copy and pasted into GoDaddy. Make sure you select TXT as the record type for your DMARC policy. After manually entering your authentication records, navigate back to the Open tab with your Flodesk domain authentication, click Next, and select Done. The domain verification card will initially show as pending for up to 48 hours, as this is the time it could take for your domain to be verified. I recommend waiting 24 to 48 hours before coming back to check and see if your domain has been successfully authenticated.